How to mix multiple tracks professionally in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, go to the Audio Editing Tools section and select the Mix tool. Import the first audio track that you want to work with. Once it's loaded, tap on the plus button to add more audio tracks that you want to mix together. You can add multiple tracks including vocals, background music, sound effects, or instrumentals. After importing all the tracks, you can adjust volume levels, balance the left and right channels, align tracks properly, and make sure everything sounds smooth and professional. Use the built-in fade-in, fade-out, and trimming options to create a polished and seamless final mix. Preview your mix to ensure all tracks blend perfectly without distortion. Once you are satisfied, tap the tick button and then you can apply effects such as echo, reverb, flanger, and more to enhance your sound. Finally, tap the save button to export your professionally mixed audio file. Now you know how to mix multiple tracks professionally in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.